Hey guys, Sakitech from sakitech, and in today's video we have a great new camera update for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. This could be a flagship phone, it could be any other smartphone, a Samsung smartphone, as long as it supports the feature. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to launch the camera, okay? And then in my camera, if you have One UI 7.0 or One UI 6.0, doesn't matter. You simply go to the settings. So in this case, I'm going to tap the settings button. Now, once I'm at the settings, I can scroll down and you can see we have this feature known as the camera assistant feature that when I click it, simply unlocks additional powerful features for the camera. So either you have this, you know what it is, or you don't have it. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to update to the latest version, and also if you don't have it, how to actually get it to enhance your camera. But you can see right over here, we have the additional zoom shortcuts we can add. We have the auto HDR feature we can enable. We have picture softening ability, auto lens switching, distortion correction, a feature I use all the time. We even have things like advanced resolution options, which just makes the photos you already have even better if you enable these settings. And of course, we have a whole bunch of other options right over here. You can check it once you install or update this. Well, here's the good news. We do have an update that makes this extension even better. And of course, if you don't have it, it's time to get it because you're going to love this thing. So to get it, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. And once you click that link, you are going to be at my website. You can see it says download camera assistant app. So you want to scroll down. And under download, you want to click the link. Now, when you click the link, it's going to take you to the Samsung Galaxy store. And over here, in my case, there's an update available. And if I do scroll down, I'm going to show you guys the new version is 3.0.00.3. It was pushed out on the 12th. Now, before I update, I'm going to show you guys something very important. So if I go to my settings, and if I go over to my apps right over here, and if I type in camera assistant, alrighty, right here, you can see the version that I have installed ends in 0.2. That is the latest version that I have. But the newer version is going to be 0.3, ending in 0.3. Okay? So I'm going to tap on update, and then we're going to wait for that to update. And then I'm going to show you guys what is going on over here. So if I go to my camera, as you can see, and again, if I go into my settings right over here, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go over to the camera assistant feature. And here we have all the features I showed you earlier. So basically with the newest update, what's going to happen is all these features are going to get even better. So I've been using this camera assistant for a long time. So there's certain features I can see a slight improvement over, things like the prioritizing focus over speed, which is where you sacrifice speed for superior focus. So every now and then it was acting a little bit finicky, but now it seems to have gotten a little bit better. The same thing with the quick tap shutter. Sometimes when I use this option, and if I go and I take a quick photo, so as soon as you tap the shutter button, it is supposed to take a photo instantly with no delay. Sometimes, again, I felt like there was some delay. But again, with this latest update for the camera assistant, these small problems seem to have gotten a little bit better. I'm going to do a little bit more testing to see if we have some additional enhancements to the resolution options, like getting better photos under certain circumstances. But regardless, guys, you gotta have this option in your phone installed, or if you have it already, make sure you update it so your camera is at maximum capability. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.